Let us know about Dauberner's law of triad. In 1829, a German chemist Johann Wolfgang Dauberner proposed this law. He grouped elements as three with similar properties in the ascending order of their atomic weights. This group of three elements is called triad. Statement: in a triad, the atomic weight of the middle element is the average of the atomic weights of the first and third element. Let us take one example. Here the group of lithium, sodium, potassium is a triad, and the atomic weights of lithium, sodium, potassium are 7, 23, 39 respectively. The sum of atomic weights of first and third element, that is lithium and potassium, is 7 plus 39 equals to 46. Now the average of the atomic weights of the first and third element is equal to 46 by 2 equals to 23. Now this 23 is the atomic weight of sodium, that is the atomic weight of middle element. Let us discuss some examples. In triad calcium, strontium, barium, the average of atomic weights of calcium, barium is equal to 88.5, which is approximately equals to the atomic weight of strontium, 87.5. Another example, chlorine, bromine, iodine. The average of atomic weights of chlorine, iodine is 81.25, which is approximately equals to the atomic weight of bromine, that is 80. Now sulfur, selenium, tellurium. The atomic weight of the average atomic weight of sulfur and tellurium is 78.5, which is approximately equals to the atomic weight of selenium, that is 78. Now last one, manganese, chromium, iron. The average of atomic weights of manganese and iron is equals to 55.5, which is approximately equals to the atomic weight of chromium, 52. From these examples, in a triad, the atomic weight of the middle element is the average of atomic weights of first and third element. Limitations. All the known elements at the time could not be arranged in the form of triads. The law failed for very low mass or for very high mass elements. In case of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, the atomic weight of chlorine is not an arithmetic mean of atomic weights of fluorine and bromine. As the techniques improved for measuring atomic masses accurately, the law was unable to retain strictly valid.